So one of the things that you can actually go ahead and do inside of Claude is generate out table data as well. So I'm just going to go around and say, like, let's say, for example, list out the different types of computers in a table based on technology right here. Let's say, for example, so I'm going to go around and say, be specific. So I'm just going to go around and say, use at least 5 columns in table. So I can go ahead and generate out table data as I want right here, just by saying, like, include these many columns and create a table. So when I hit send right here, what happens is that it'll go ahead and list out the different contents right here as needed. So I just said list out different types of computers in a table, so it'll go ahead and search around for that particular information, and will simply go ahead and then build out the table for me right here. So you just gotta go ahead and wait for a bit for the table to be generated right here, and there you go, the table has started to be generated. Some of the texts are overlapping, but if you were to go ahead and copy and paste this out to any other document, then the problem won't be there. So you can see that you got like, let's say, for example, at least 5 columns. So it actually used 6 columns right here. And then you can see that it went ahead and generated out the table data right here, just like this. So you got mechanical, vacuum tube, transistor, and so forth right here. And that is what you have. You can go around over here, copy this out to the clipboard, or you can even go ahead and download this table out right here. And then you can go ahead and click on save right here, and it downloads the table out in HTML format as well. So you got the table data right here, just like this, which mentions out the detail as needed. So that is basically how you can go ahead and generate out tables inside of Claude.ai. So I hope you guys learn something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.